Compared to other expansion plugs, the screw remains in the plug by simply pressing it in the Fisher SX Plus. This is especially helpful in overhead applications. Fisher SX Plus, the specialist in solid building materials. Due to its thin shape, the SX Plus is inserted in the drill hole using very little effort. The pronounced edge prevents the plug from slipping deeper into the drill hole, providing a secure installation. The special fixing wings of the SX Plus hold the screw in place by simply inserting it into the plug. The noticeable tightening torque prevents over-tightening of the screw. Its four-way expansion ensures a secure hold in solid and perforated building materials. This makes the SX Plus the perfect choice for overhead applications. The SX Plus long version is ideal for problematic building materials and higher load requirements. Thanks to the anti-rotation lock, the plug does not turn when tightened. The plug shaft, which is free of any expansion pressure, prevents chipping of tiles or plaster from building material surfaces. The SX Plus is suitable for pre- and push-through installation. The SX Plus green products, containing at least 50% renewable raw materials, complete the range. For many applications, such as wardrobes, lamps, and letterboxes. Fisher SX Plus, the specialist in solid building materials.